Good evening. Today I would like to explain corporate training on generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but creating new video, new application which is not seen in before in terms of audio, video, text graphics by using machine AI and deep learning techniques. There are 13 concepts you need to know in order to implement generative AI. Introduction to AI, Python programming, probability and statistics, data structures and algorithms, database and data warehousing, generative AI, data science and data mining, natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality and virtual reality, and followed by the case studies like groundwater and climate change data analysis by using AI, ML, and DL techniques, COVID 19 and variants virus prediction detection using AI, ML, and DL techniques, Ebola virus and chronic diseases like prostate, breast, skin, and lung cancer prediction using AI and ML techniques. So, by using these all 13 concepts and by using case studies, we can create innovative applications which is not seen in before in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation. So, I am going to demonstrate all these topics and contents in corporate training if it is possible for you.